Okay, so in this particular video we won't dwell much on the introduction on what is sokonalysis. Just know it's the Cipher toolkit built for skill levels, and you can actually download it on your Windows machine or Linux machine. So it has three phases. So the first phase is the university level, then the second phase is what we are dealing with right now, the CTF level. So in this particular video we are dealing with a challenge under CyberTalents which is called Rivest. Okay, so basically it was tried out 35 times, then out of those times only 22 managed to solve it, and it was just 100 points. Okay, so it's medium. Okay, so here's the challenge description: ready for a journey to the future. So we are given the data such as N, E and the ciphertext. So this is the information which we have. So let me just copy this and now just paste it here, because there we cannot see each and everything fully. Okay, so that's our data so far. So remember, we are trying to automate these things minus us, requiring programming, utilizing multiple tools. Okay, so be just using a single tool to actually solve these challenges. So this tool is just for ethical use, not any illegal malicious purposes. So we're going to accept the terms if it's just for educational purposes. So option 6 is capture the flag, then option 1 is RIC. Okay, so one thing we need to take note about RIC is that we always start off with trying to factor out the value for n, okay, which is the public exponent or modulus we can see. Okay, so in this case, based on this question we are given, we can see that E is smaller compared to these values. Okay, so each and every attack has its own strategy or name, so to say. So I'm going to say option 1, which is RIC, and we have a lot of options. So which one are we going with right now? So we know that our E is smaller, so we are trying to look for something which is looks like that. So option number 9, we can see we have low E attack. Okay, so we can decrypt the cipher which is C, where E is smaller. So let's try out this option, which is number 9. So we'll try out all these methods when it comes to a particular situation. So I'm just copying the value for N. So N is larger, by the way. This is too slow to copy. Let me do this. Okay, now can I get this value directly? Okay, let me just do this. Okay, so I'm copying this value just for N. I don't know why it's performing that way. So that's the value for N. So E, if we can remember here, let me just do Ctrl Z. We are given as 5. So our E is basically 5. Then finally the ciphertext. So let me see, is it even too long, even this one? Okay, same as N. So what I'll do, again, I'll just get rid of these things, then only have this value which is C. Okay, so once I paste those values, we can see we have the decrypted flag which says I think the padding wasn't enough. Okay, so just to verify under my submissions, we need to see if actually this is correct. So I had made 2 attempts which was wrong. Okay, so this is the correct flag. Okay, so that's it. So my name is Asoko James, representing KMU Cybersecurity Tutorials and the developer for sokonalysis, which is the Cipher toolkit built for all skill levels.